Welcome to our comparison of two popular compact laundry appliances from BLACK+DECKER. Today, we will take a closer look at the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 Compact Dryer. Both of these appliances are designed for smaller living spaces, making them ideal for apartments or homes with limited laundry facilities. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer offers 6 different wash cycles, allowing users to choose the best setting for their laundry needs. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 Compact Dryer features 4 drying modes, providing flexibility in how you dry your clothes. This functionality is essential for optimizing the performance of each appliance based on the type of laundry being done. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer has a washing capacity of 1.7 cubic feet, which can handle up to 11 pounds of laundry. On the other hand, the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 Compact Dryer has a larger capacity of 3.5 cubic feet, accommodating up to 13.2 pounds of wet laundry. This difference in capacity is crucial for users who may have larger loads to dry after washing. The design of these appliances also differs significantly. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer features a top-loading design, making it easy to load and unload laundry. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 Compact Dryer is a front-loading model, which can be more convenient for loading wet clothes directly from the washer. Each design has its advantages depending on your laundry setup and personal preferences. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 Compact Dryer offer excellent features for compact laundry solutions. The washer provides multiple wash cycles and a compact design, while the dryer offers a larger capacity and versatile drying modes. Depending on your specific laundry needs, one may be more suitable than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.